Hello, my name's Kerry and this is our 13-inch MacBook Pro, and recently we had the hard drive fell on the computer, and so after replacing the hard drive we decided that we would go ahead and upgrade the memory on the computer. To upgrade the memory, all you need is a number 00 Phillips screwdriver and the memory. We checked locally at a couple computer stores and they wanted over $100 for the memory, so I went online to Crucial.com and was able to buy 8 gigabytes of memory for $49, so I thought this was a pretty good deal. On Apple's website they recommend that you buy the memory in identical pairs, so what you see here is two 4 megabyte modules, and this is what I'll be installing in the computer. The first step to accessing the memory is to flip the computer onto its back, and on the back of the computer there are 10 screws. 3 of the screws are longer, and those are the screws that I will remove first. You can tell where the 3 longer screws are by where the computer hinges, and the black stripe you see at the bottom of the screen is where the computer hinges, and so I know that the 3 longer screws are in the lower left corner of this video. So the first thing I will do is remove the 3 longer screws. And once I have the 3 longer screws removed, I will go ahead and remove the other 7 shorter screws. And once I have all of the shorter screws removed, the next step is to lift the back cover off the computer. With the cover off, I can now access the memory modules, and that's what I'm pointing to with my screwdriver. So the next step will be to remove the old memory modules. On the side of the memory modules there are 2 tabs, and I will pull out a little bit on each tab, and that releases the first module. And then I can just pull it out with my fingers. That exposes the second module, and I will pull out again on the tabs until it pops up. And then I can also pull it out with my fingers. I didn't quite have the tabs pulled out enough. There we go. Second module pulls out. And now I'm ready to install the new memory. This is the first new module. It's a 4 gigabyte module. I just push it in. till the contacts are in place, and then press down until it snaps into place. Then I will take the second module, push it into the contacts, and push down until it snaps into place. These modules will only go in one way, so you don't have to worry about getting it in upside down. And with the new memory in, all it's left to do is reinstall the back cover. And the first thing I will do is put in the longer screws first. One thing to notice on this back cover is that the screws sort of go in on an angle. So be aware of that when you're installing the screws and tightening them. Once I have the 3 longer screws installed, all it's left to do now is install the 7 shorter screws. Remember that the screws go in on a little bit of an angle. Just be careful with that when you're reinstalling them. And once I have all of the screws installed, I'm done. That completes this video on how to install memory on a 13-inch MacBook Pro. If you would like to see more of my videos, please visit my YouTube channel, iScaper1.